All right. Hi, everyone. My name is Jesse Bray. I am the CEO of Mr. Bray Labs, and I'm an animator. That's what I do. I make cartoons for a living, and so because I'm an animator and I'm also a researcher, I just love things that are cute and exciting. Just to give you a little background of what I've worked on, I've worked with Netflix and Hulu. I recently worked on the upcoming Yo Gabba Land series. So that's really where some of this innovation came. But I want to show you how you are going to change the way that you search. No one, the way that you search now will ever be the same after today. I'd like you to meet Arty. So Arty is the AI that reads video like a book. So the issue here is we're going to talk about the problem and really what the solution is and the key features of what makes Arty so exciting and so just irresistible for you. So the problem is static search is old, it's slow, it's non-dynamic. It's been a mess until Arty. This is the world we live in. It's visually immersive and we want to look at it now. But how do we articulate that? How do we search the visual landscape? And this is what Arty does. Arty searches films, movies, animations, and as seamlessly as Google searches websites. It summarizes, it analyzes, it annotates, and more. Now you're searching in motion. Also, Arty's ecosystem is built such a way that it actually is platform agnostic. It can bake into any sort of custom website. You can put it into your own custom app. It lives on top. It's the search engine that you want to have on everything. The benefits is the in-depth video analysis. Arty, again, it can analyze, understand the content, identify scenes, dialogues, visual elements. It is a film school with a click. Efficient content retrieval, such as Google searches through text. It also can tell you when specific things in moments of films can happen. It enhances your experience, gives you detailed insights through video that content that transforms how the user looks and consumes visual media. Here are some of the use cases for what Arty can become and will become. Arty can move its way into ed and medical and even television alone. Example here is imagine a teacher is looking for some sort of a visual lesson and they can just look up an old lecture and it will bring out the perfect scenes and not just pick you one giant video, but actually select that specific spot in that video. Or say you have an employee trying to look up the right training tutorial for a specific lesson that they need to learn, maybe a soft skill, maybe something that's updated, instead of having to look through a giant database. Or even more so, my favorite feature is imagine you are looking for the ultimate feel-good movie playlist. The algorithm already knows you. What if you could walk into the algorithm and say, hey, you know what, I'm having a bad day. And you can click the algorithm and the algorithm can give you your perfect feel-good movie list. And now let me show you a little bit of Arty in action. So Arty originally started off as a simple chatbot. This little chatbot was during my dissertation research on how we can engage media and how it impacts how we feel. I started this simple way, but then it started to grow and it grew a brain. And up here, just a few different examples, just because it costs a lot to have this server render everything. I put in funniest moments in films in 1990s, and it turned out all these great features. Not only that, I can actually annotate each point which every single one of these videos came up. You know, you have your classic Wayne's World, all these gagging videos, Liar Liar, all these fun things on media. It can look at everything. And furthermore, I can even drill down even to your favorite films. You can look up funniest moments for, say, one a film that I think is a classic is Dumb and Dumber. You can look and it can show you those little specific scenes. So say you just want to watch some clips and just feel a little bit funny today, just to lift your spirits. Arty is here to revolutionize the way we interact with video content. Thank you so much. Arty is the AI that reads video like a book.